All right, guys, today we're doing Dr. John Qualified. Very challenging, fun Louisiana blues song. Let's try it. And so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. Though this is not easy, I try to make it as easy as I can. I've transcribed as close as I can exactly what Dr. John is playing, so you won't find this in sheet music or anything else. If you want to play it like he does, then I think my lessons will help you. All of the lessons for this are on webpianoteacher.com. It's my website I've been doing for 12 years, been teaching for over 30 years now, 12 years online, started on YouTube. And I even have beginner lessons on there if you need a refresher course, or you are a complete beginner, or you just need to get used to my method of teaching by ear. And I have to tell you the truth, when you're playing stuff like this, I think my method is a little more clear and effective than traditional music notation, just because of the way we use our ear and talk about rhythms. But anyway, let's get started on this part one lesson here. Check me out on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. See what new lessons I've uploaded. The intro is kind of in 3, and the rest of it's in 4. So, you know, blues players just do what they want, right? They're not really interested in conforming. They just want to do what expresses themselves. So we'll start out with A flat, A natural, B flat, 1, 2, 3. Just a little brump, little roll, like that. And then we'll do B flat, D flat, E flat. On the right, I'm going to use 2, 4, 5. You can use what you want. Left hand, I'll have a D flat. We're up way high in both hands. So bum bum. And what you really have to remind yourself is to not go so fast. When you hear him do it, you'll just feel like you got to go fast, but take your time. Okay, so 2 times on that bum bum, and then the left hand first. And then all the right hand. Then he adds his thumb on the E flat, right? So this is the accuracy, the level of accuracy I'm trying to give you, that he doesn't play the E flat the first 2 times, and then he does. And then E flat and your left hand D flat for that. So again, and then da 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 da. So the next measure is similar as far as the rhythm. We're just changing the chord. We're going from that E flat 7 to an A diminished chord. E flat, A natural, E flat. 1, 2, 1 maybe, or 1, 2, 5 will work good for you. Left hand C natural, B natural, and then C C. So bum 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 bum. Now that last thing, that little roll down, is exactly that. It's a roll down. Don't try to count it or measure it out, with rhythm or anything. It's just a little roll down at the end. All right, so the chord you're already doing, or the octave in a diminished fourth, you're already doing just, or augmented fourth actually, diminished fifth. Then a B flat there's going to lead us to the next measure, the next chord. So let's do that from the beginning with a slow rhythm. Here we go. See how slow I did that? Going for accuracy, not speed yet. Play it correctly, slowly, and the speed will come on its own. If you try to rush yourself too early in the beginning when you're learning, in the learning stages, then you can mess up a lot of things. So play it correctly, slowly. Next measure. In fact, when I was kind of practicing this a little bit before I hit record, I was playing it really slowly to get it. So the next measure is E flat, A flat, E flat. Left hand is now on a B natural. 2 times and bum bum. That's that measure. Bum 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 bum. So compared to the other measures, kind of easy. Let's add it on, okay? Ready? And the next measure is going to go to E flat chord, and then we'll do sort of the same thing. Ba, 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 ba. Now, the rhythms are, in 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, So you hear that chord? But he goes. But if you'll notice your chord, that'll help you. Just kind of play them one at a time, block like that. All right, and of course we'll do the whole thing. This will take a lot of lessons because he's doing a lot of cool stuff, and the rhythms can really get you, and I'm going to help you piece together those rhythms and play them slowly correctly so that when you go faster, it'll sound really cool, and you won't believe what you're producing. Your ears won't believe what you're doing, and it'll be so much fun if you work at it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the part one. See you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll finish it up.